अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम एक टेस्ट पेपर को सॉल्व करेंगे जो कमिंग FGEI की तमाम जॉब्स हैं, जिसमें टीचिंग और नॉन टीचिंग दोनों इंक्लूडेड हैं। सब के लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट है। जस्ट जो नॉन टीचिंग जॉब्स होंगी उसमें पेडागोजी का पोर्शन आपको नहीं मिलेगा, बाकी इन्हीं पोर्शन से पेपर आएगा। आज के इस टेस्ट पेपर को सॉल्व करने से पहले आप लोगों में से जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी FGEI की टीचिंग या नॉन टीचिंग जॉब्स के लिए पेपर से 3-4 दिन पहले रिवीजन के लिए मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट नोट्स चाहिए हों, जिसमें हर सब्जेक्ट के 1000 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड और इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs शामिल हों। इसके अलावा 500 MCQs पास पेपर से इंक्लूडेड हों। तो वो नोट्स लेने के लिए आपको स्क्रीन पर व्हाट्सएप नंबर शो हो रहा होगा, उस पर कांटेक्ट करके आप सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। व्हाट्सएप पर ही सर आपको सैम्पल के साथ साथ पेमेंट डिटेल्स वगैरह भी प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। अभी आपकी कंप्लीट रिवीजन के लिए ये वन लाइनर्स आपको काफ़ी डिस्काउंट पर मिल जाएंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमारे पास इंग्लिश के MCQs हैं। फर्स्ट वन है द एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड एफिमेरल is short-lived or transitory. Second है in the sentence having finished his work he went to bed. The phrase having finished his work is a perfect phrase. Identify the figure of speech used in the wind whispered through the trees. Personification. Change into active voice. Let the door be shut becomes shut the door. The idiom to leave no stone unturned means to try every possible effort. The plural form of the word oasis, OASIS, is OASES, oasis. Identify the underlined part of speech. He is but a child. So, what is the word but here? An adverb, and the meaning is only. Choose the correct spelling. Superintendent, SUPERINTENDENT, superintendent. A person who is indifferent to pleasure or pain is called stoic. Fill in the preposition. He was absolved of all charges. Next, MCQs from pedagogy portion. The philosophical approach that asserts the ultimate reality is the world of physical objects rather than ideas is realism. In classical conditioning experiments by Pavlov, the bell before conditioning represents the neutral stimulus. The curriculum design that is organized around distinct traditional academic subjects is known as the subject-centered curriculum. The teaching method, where a teacher presents a dramatic or real-life problem scenario and students solve it actively without direct lecture, is problem-based learning. A table that aligns test questions with instructional objectives and content areas to ensure content validity is the table of specifications or blueprint. The psychological concept of scaffolding is most closely associated with the educational theories of Jerome Bernner and Lev Vygotsky. The domain of educational objectives that deals with attitudes, values, emotions, and feelings is the affective domain. An assessment tool consisting of a set of criteria and grading scales used to evaluate complex student performance is a rubric. नेक्स्ट MCQs इसमें जनरल साइंस के हैं। फर्स्ट वन है द केमिकल बॉन्ड formed by the equal sharing of electrons between two atoms is a covalent bond. The layer of the earth located directly beneath the crust is the mantle. The fundamental principle that states light chooses the path that takes the least amount of time is Fermat's principle. The hormone secreted by pancreas that lowers blood glucose levels is insulin. The instrument used to measure the specific gravity or relative density of liquids is the hydrometer. The unique process by which nitrogen gas from the air is converted into ammonia by soil bacteria is nitrogen fixation. The concept that states an object immersed in a fluid experiences an upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces is Archimedes' principle. The functional and structural unit of the human nervous system is the neuron. The process of heat transfer through direct physical contact without the bulk movement of matter is conduction. The organelle within a plant cell where the dark reactions Calvin cycle of photosynthesis takes place is the stroma. Next portion Pakistan studies. The famous archaeological site Kot Diji is located near the city of Khairpur. All India Muslim League passed its famous 14 points in response to Nehru report in the year 1929. The highest and longest mountain range completely located inside Pakistan's border is the Suleiman Range. The system of basic democracies, consisting of 80,000 basic democrats, was introduced by Field Marshal Ayub Khan in 1959. The river that flows through the capital city of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Muzaffarabad, is the Neelam River. The British legal expert who served as the chairman of the boundary commissions during partition was Sir Cyril Radcliffe. The local name for the high altitude plateau located in the northernmost region of Pakistan, that is Baltistan, is the Deosai Plains. The third martial law in Pakistan's history was imposed by General Muhammad Ziaul Haq on 5th of July 1977. The title Qaid-e-Millat, Leader of the Nation, was given to Pakistan's first Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. The famous Lucknow Pact between the Muslim League and Congress was signed in the year 1916. Islamiyat portion. The first major military expedition led directly by the Holy Prophet peace be upon him himself is known as Ghazwa-e Abwa or Vedan. The historic pledge taken by Muslims under a tree before the Treaty of Hudaybiyah is called Bait-e-Rizwan. The Sahabi who is known as Zunnurain, possessor of two lights, because he married two daughters of Prophet peace be upon him is Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The system of collection of ushur on agricultural yield applies a rate of 10% on land irrigated by natural water resources either through rain or rivers. The longest surah in the Holy Quran is Surah Baqarah. Battle of Khyber was fought against Jewish fortresses in the Hijri year 7 AH. The specific science of Quranic compilation that tracks the reason and historical context behind the revelation of verses is called Asbabul Nuzul. The grandfather of Holy Prophet peace be upon him who looked after him after his mother's demise was Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. The total number of sajda tilawat, prostrations of recitation present in the Holy Quran is 14. The Caliph who established the proper State Department for military registers and introduced the Hijri calendar system was Hazrat Umar bin Khattab Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The cognitive level in Bloom's revised taxonomy that involves putting elements together to form a coherent or functional whole is creating. The leadership style in school administration, where decisions are made through mutual consultation and consensus, is democratic leadership.